more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime you choose.
First things first, let's go look at that new car. Sweet dog. Alright. Cool, my dudes. The first thing on our list is checked off. Now we own a piece of American muscle. I picked it up because it was a steal of a price. I got this thing for $3,000. 2005 Mustang, base model. It's not a GT. There's only 160k kilometers on the actual engine. So we got the rear bumper, mirror, some front light. What is this exactly? Rapid remover. Okay, back to the garage. Random exhaust tip we bought yesterday at Canadian Tire. I'm just gonna bring this to Minute Muffler and have them welded onto the Mustang. You guys wanna see what color? Boom. Don't forget to torque your wheels! Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. Right now, just cleaning it up before we actually let go of this thing. But I guess it's a perfect opportunity for us to actually do a small walk around and show you guys what went into making this a little more visually... Doggy! This one wants attention. What? Oh. Okay, one sec, bro. You're hurting your back. Like I was saying before, I was so rudely interrupted. We'll do a small walk around to show you exactly what went into making this a little more visually appealing compared to what it looked like before. And obviously, it's seen some changes. So I guess we can start in the front area. The main obvious change was we fully wrapped this thing green. The wrap color's name is Candy Apple Gloss Green, I think, and it's by 3M. Super forgiving material, so we crushed the wrap job in like 2.5 days. Greened out the fog lights because personal KMR aesthetic choice. We also had to get a new replacement grille for this thing because didn't really come with one, but really completes the front. I was thinking of getting a front lift for this thing just to add to the aggressiveness, but honestly, we've already spent enough on this thing as it is, and we're not even keeping it. Since the last video, we've actually installed a couple more things, like this rear louver, which looks very similar to my FRS. I don't think this base model Mustang is supposed to have these, but we installed one anyway. Kind of reminds me of how the FRS or the BRZ has their logo. Actually, the BRZ doesn't have one, but the FRS has the GT86 logo right on the front fender. So to any onlooker, this is obviously a Mustang. It has a whole bunch of decals all over it. I guess the main idea with this car was to still go with a KMR theme of black and green. Just a little more neon-ish. I probably wouldn't wrap one of my own personal cars in this color just because I can't look at it for too long. The contrasting color of green is red, and the longer you look at this, if you look at like a piece of paper or a blank white wall, you're just gonna be seeing red. So what we ended up doing was putting black accents all over the car and also some carbon fiber accents. So you got this side window louver, and I ended up copying the new GTs by making this area carbon fiber as well. I think it adds so much. And notice we actually went through the effort of replacing the emblems as well. This is like brand new, untouched. So I'm gonna keep the protective plastic on this for the buyer so he knows how much effort we actually went through. Oh, geez, man. Hey, Mr. Sunny over here correcting me. It's satin apple green. This is the actual 3M card. For anyone who wants to wrap their car the same color. Made a list for this thing, make it easier. So we ended up tinting the windows 30%, and actually from the outside, it's pretty dark. I had to buy extra side skirt for this thing because we threw away the other one, but now both sides have black side skirts, which we painted gloss black. And I think keeping it black as opposed to wrapping it green really brings out the wheels too, which is actually one of my favorite parts of this car, the 19-inch niche wheels, which we got refinished in gloss black.
I like the way you work it. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work.
I mean, it was a decent try. Like, it's actually flush with the body. We're not running spacers, and they're brand new, fresh tires. We wrapped them with Nexans. Never really heard of the brand. My friend suggested them, and they were fairly inexpensive for the entire set. So we actually lowered these on springs as well. Come around to the back, replaced the rear bumper, and we threw in a new exhaust. Completely rusted off, so I got my friend Ravi at Minimum Muffler to weld on this brand new one. Burnt tips. It's actually pretty cool. Looks good, and it actually doesn't sound too bad.
I like the way you work it. No diggity. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. No. I'm about to bag it up. I like the way you work it. And I got this soda. Remy boys that know.
Interior, super clean. And our friend Sunny actually gave this a super thorough detail, and he did what a lot of detailers don't actually do. He moved the front seats, so he was able to get underneath, and also the black void of nothingness where everyone loses everything. So this is really clean inside and out.
What did you say? This is what happens when an FRS owner builds a Mustang.
Pretty much. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just give you a little bit of insight on this quick flip project. We're hoping that we get a pretty penny out of this. Because I did this video, now I have a small idea of exactly how much I can price it for on the marketplace. We'll update you guys too on exactly how much we sell it for, but the plan is to make a little profit off it, you know? My idea was to actually trade up. Even if we have to put a couple thousand on top of this to trade up for, like, say, I don't know, I'm looking for more European cars. If we can get like an A4 or an S5, but I'm more of a coupe guy, so who knows, we'll see. But for now, I'm just gonna end this video. So if you do wanna get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop a like and leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.
No diggity, darling. I like the way you work it.